Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post.
Here are 12 free keyword research tools that are easy to use and full of valuable data. These are Keyword Surfer. Keyword Surfer is a newer tool that plugs right into the Chrome web browser. When it's on, results automatically display on the right side of your results page each time you enter a search term. Keyword Surfer delivers keyword ideas with their volume, cost per click for each term, pages that rank for the term you entered, traffic to pages ranked 1 through 10 for that term. It's a highly efficient keyword research tool and delivers results as you use your web browser. As a new tool, there may be some kinks to work out. However, it's a fast and easy way to get content ideas. Answertha Public. Answertha Public is the place to see raw search insights. After you enter your search term, it displays the questions people are asking related to that topic. The results are shown in a graphic display with all the who, what, where, when, why, and other questions users ask. It's a powerful way to generate keyword ideas and see what your potential customers actually want to know. You can download the data as a graph or a list. One con for this tool is that there is a limit of 3 free searches a day, so you have to be thoughtful about each phrase you search. Keyword Sheeter. Keyword Sheeter pulls autocomplete results from Google. It delivers real-time data on what people are typing into the search engine. It's a simple and powerful resource to identify ideas for blog topics. However, the free features of Keyword Sheeter do not include search volume or data on how competitive it is to rank for a phrase. Keywordit. Keywordit mines Reddit for keywords. To use it, enter a specific subreddit with at least 10,000 subscribers and specify a time frame. The tool searches through the titles and comments to extract up to 500 keywords with search volumes. Due to the variety of answers within each subreddit, the relevance of the results may vary. There is an option to specify high relevance, which slows down the tool somewhat. Keywordit is not designed to replace other keyword research tools, but it can be an interesting complement to your existing strategy. Reddit is a popular site where people with specific interests take deep dives into a topic. It may reveal keyword phrases and blog topics you wouldn't find using other search tools. Questioned. Questioned is an excellent blog topic idea generator. It pulls from several question and answer websites, including Reddit and Quora, to give you questions people are actively asking related to your keywords. The free version of the tool allows unlimited searches without registering for an account. You can download your results with a single click. You have the option to display the source link for each question. This allows you to review additional details about how people are framing their questions. You can also review the answers. Questioned also displays related topics mentioned in the questions. Ahrefs Keyword Generator. Ahrefs Keyword Generator is one of the freemium tools offered by Ahrefs, which is a popular paid service. Enter any target keyword or phrase, and it will pull the top 100 keyword ideas from its database of over 8 billion keywords from more than 170 countries. For each keyword phrase, this generator displays the search volume, keyword difficulty, how recently this result was updated, a list of questions related to the term. You can use this keyword research tool to identify long-tail keywords, target less competitive phrases, and isolate your search using geographic location or search engine. It allows you to export your data by downloading your list of results. In addition to the keyword generator that pulls from Google, Ahrefs also has free Bing, YouTube, and Amazon tools. While some freemium services include the SERP results inside the keyword search tool, Ahrefs provides their free SERP service on a separate page. Ahrefs Keyword Generator is an efficient and valuable free tool that allows you to do unlimited searches without creating an account. However, unlike other tools, it does not allow you to download your results. And because you don't create an account with the free service, you have to prove you're not a robot with every new search. SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool is one of several free tools offered by SEO giant SEMrush. To access their free tools, create an account and select Skip Trial. You can always sign up for the paid service down the road if you'd like. The Keyword Magic tool gives you access to more than 20 billion keywords from over 120 geographical databases. The reports include monthly search volume, competition among paid advertisers, and keyword difficulty. Ubersuggest? Ubersuggest provides a wealth of information with its free version. When you enter a search term, it displays the search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and CPC. Immediately beneath the display, it identifies the number of backlinks you would need to rank on the first page of Google for that keyword phrase. As you scroll down, you can view lists of keyword ideas and page content ideas. The list of page content ideas displays related blog titles. At a glance, you can see how many people click on and share each article. You can export most of your data reports to CSV to save and sort. Ubersuggest provides a free Chrome extension to see data right on the SERP easily. Moz Keyword Explorer. Moz Keyword Explorer is an attractive and well-laid-out keyword research tool. You can see monthly volume, organic difficulty, organic click-through rate (CTR), and a priority score for each search term. The organic CTR displays how many people who use the term follow through and click on one of the results. The priority score aggregates the difficulty, opportunity, and volume to show you in a simple score how likely you are to rank for that keyword phrase. Keyword Explorer delivers a long list of keyword suggestions for each term, with monthly search volume and relevancy. The SERP analysis, also included with the free search results, gives you 10 specific pages that rank for your target keyword. You can see their title, URL, page authority, domain. Moz provides an excellent service. The downside is the free account limits you to 10 queries a month. Keyword research tools for e-commerce, online sellers, and multi-channel marketers. Most keyword tools focus on Google and other search engines. For e-commerce stores or sellers whose goals reach beyond ranking on Google and other search engines, tools like Keyword Tool Dominator and Suvol help you target the platforms you are using. Suvol. Suvol is great for e-commerce websites or marketers using multiple channels. It helps you find popular keywords across several megasites, including Amazon, Wikipedia, YouTube, and eBay. Suvol works as a keyword research tool and a keyword generator. As you type in your target terms, it auto-generates phrases to help you expand your ideas. Suvol includes unlimited searches for free. On the downside, it is limited to an idea generator and does not include metrics like keyword difficulty or search volume. Keyword Tool Dominator. It's an outstanding resource for sellers and multi-channel marketers who want to rank on more than Google or the other search engines. The downside of this fast and easy-to-use tool is the free version limits you to 2 searches a day. For more queries, you'll need to pay for a plan. Keyword Tool Dominator helps you identify search trends as they happen. It brings you the autocomplete databases from Google, YouTube, Amazon, Walmart, Bing, Etsy, and eBay to uncover up-to-date keywords and search terms. Google Trends. Google Trends is a free tool that delivers graphs and data on specific search terms used on Google and YouTube. When you enter a search phrase on the homepage, it will deliver a list from Google by default. On the results page, you can change your options to see results from YouTube instead. It also offers trends from Google Shopping, Images, and News. Google Trends is a valuable tool for identifying what's currently trending, isolating popular topics or subtopics within an industry or related to a theme, discovering local search trends, finding related keywords that are growing in popularity, graphing the public interest in a topic over a range of time, seeing where a topic is most popular. Google Trends helps you identify keywords that are rising in popularity and avoid terms that are losing momentum. Your audience knows what they want and need. Do you?